Hi guys, Peter here, and today what I want to show you is how to download and install the Zoom application in case you want to use it to meet with your students. So this is going to be a pretty short video because it's not all too complicated. What you really need to do is open up a web browser. I recommend Google Chrome, and you're going to put in this link, which is zoom.us/support/download. And depending on the device you're on, this should bring up a download window actually instantly for either Windows or Mac. And what it'll do is automatically bring up a prompt to download the Zoom installer. From here you can just press enter, or you can click the save button. And what that'll do is actually save the file to your computer, which at that point you can open it up and it'll start the installation process.